Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Pixel 6. Alright, now this case is made by Huness. Haven't heard of them before, but we're going to check this case out and see what it's all about. Let's get started. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Huness case for the Google Pixel 6. Alright, and it's got a tempered glass screen protector, scratch resistant in Airbag Shock-Absorption case. Now I didn't know it had a screen protector with it, but that's pretty cool. This is some pictures right here. It's got a grippy back, almost look like it's carbon fiber, but I think that's just a grip, the pattern in the back. It's a black case. TPU. It's got camera protection there. As you can see, screen protection as well. Now you can get these in different colors. You got blue, cayenne, mint, green, and purple, and red. All right, and $10.99 on Prime. You can get a 10% coupon, so that's going to get you $1 off, 11, something like that. All right, and it came pretty quickly. It was next day shipping. All right, now I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box that comes in. Phone case, tempered glass, pretty interesting. I hope I'm pronouncing that name right, but if I'm wrong, please forgive me. It's got some instructions on the back, and I'm just going to pop this out so we can check out the case. And it had this installation kit for the screen protector. I'm not going to put that on. I don't use screen protector, but it does have one here, tempered glass for the screen protector. I don't know. I might try to put it on later, but I'm not going to do it right now. But that's all that's in the box. This is the case right here. All right, so you got the grippy back right there. You got a little carbon fiber at the bottom right there, a little insert, and you got a raised area for the camera and a little carbon fiber up top as well. You got a little bit of grip on the side there, open for the volume rocker, and the power button is open up. You got an opening for the charging port, and your speaker grill's right there. This side is clean, and you got a mic hole up top. And I think that's it. No branding or anything, all right? But TPU case, not too slippery, but you got a little branding inside, and you got a little pattern inside, okay? So that's cool. This looks like it's going to be covering the front of the phone, so that'll be good. But let's go ahead and put the device inside and see how this looks. Okay, we got the Pixel 6 right here. Let's go ahead and put this inside and see what it looks like. All right, so nice fit. Feels good in the hand, doesn't add too much bulk. You got the charging port and everything lines up right there. You got the mic hole lined up pretty nicely right there. You see that? And your camera is well protected, no problem there, okay? And you got your volume down rocker and your power button right there. That's all, that works pretty well. So that's cool. And you got a little bit of lip around the front. Not too intrusive, but fits pretty well. It's a nicely made case, all right? And you got that pattern on the back, you can hear that. In the carbon fiber insert. So it's not a bad looking case for $10. Well, $11 actually. But it feels pretty good. So nice light case, not too heavy. Okay. And fits the phone nicely. Nice snug fit. Okay. All right. Now let's check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, we got the wireless charger right here. Let's put it on. So pick that wireless charge, no problem. Let's stand this up, see what happens. Okay, I didn't get the pop-up, but it is charging. All right. Let's see what happens when you lay it down. Okay, so the pop-up right there when it laid down. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, so there we go. All right, so it's charging in each position. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Huness case for the Google Pixel 6. It's a TPU case, nice grip, camera protection, lip protection for the screen. Comes with tempered glass, free tempered glass, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty good for $10.99. All right, so I recommend this case if you're looking for something inexpensive to put on your Pixel. All right, now if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ out.